Hello everyone, we are the Group 9. I'm Joy Mendoza together with my groupmates Justine Estoesta, Carmelo Ilag, and Tiffany Rodrigo. Our proposal is entitled Interactive LCD Touchscreen Monitor Armchair for Note-Taking. I will be presenting the abstract. Students often lose their notes written on paper. With this, the researchers are introducing an innovative way of note-taking, the interactive LCD touchscreen armchair. This device lets the students to write their notes on the armchair using a stylus. For security purposes, this device is protected by a password using their Mapua accounts and can be saved and sent through their MyMail account. This device only contains useful applications to enhance learning experience. This does not only lower the consumption of papers and pencils, but it also induces a suitable learning environment for the students. Thank you.
Good day everyone, I'm Tiffany Rodrigo and I will present our introduction. We are living in a time where we rely mostly to our electronic gadgets. Since students are mostly on their electronic gadgets, they make sure to use it fully. Nowadays, students also use their gadgets in class to take photos of the lectures. Note-taking is important as it helps students remember key information. What is note-taking? Note-taking is the practice of writing down or recording key points of information. How does the habit of taking photos of the lectures and not writing it down instead affects the students? Taking photos of the lectures means that the students use their personal gadgets in class, which can affect active learning as they can be distracted by the things that are not related to the class. The main purpose of the design is to promote active learning and providing an efficient learning environment by helping in limiting and prohibiting the use of personal gadgets in class. It can also provide convenience for the students as they can bring less stuff to school since they will be using their armchair for note-taking. Lastly, it can also help the environment by reducing the use of paper.
Hi, I'm Justine Estoesta and I will be discussing what our proposal is all about, what equipments were used and how to assemble them. So first we have the technical analysis. We, the researchers, would be using a highly responsive touchscreen monitor that brings a new dimension of interactive functionality to the classroom. The LCD monitor would be a 20-inch class touchscreen LCD panel, which delivers full HD resolution with performance-enhancing UV2A technology. UV2A technology stands for the ultraviolet-induced multi-domain vertical alignment, a photo-alignment technology that ensures uniform alignment of liquid crystal molecules. Its 10-point multi-touch screen provides extremely quick response for writing and touch gestures. The dimensions of the screen would be 463.8 by 25.2 by 274.8 millimeters, that is in width times diameter times the height. A palm cancellation function prioritizes pen recognition, so users can write with a touch pen even if their palm is resting on the screen. Once documents have been imported as images and displayed on the touchscreen, users can quickly write and draw directly on the screen surface using the touch pen or a finger. The Sharp Pen software also features an overlay mode that enables on-screen handwriting regardless of the application being used. So in here we have the conceptual framework. We have an input by the user, which is the notes written using the stylus or the fingers. Then we have a saving process. The notes will be saved in the device, or it can be saved in our MyMail account. The output would be that the notes will be saved to Word and PDF. The equipment we used in order to build this is the Sharp Touch Screen LLS201A LCD monitor or any other LCDs with similar functionalities. This would be embedded onto the armchair, connected to a power supply voltage DC-in of 19 volts in the input terminal of the LCD. A touch pen or stylus pen would also be used to interact with the device. The dedicated touch pen allows smooth and extremely accurate on-screen writing of fine text and lines, just like writing on paper. When it comes to the assembly and setup procedures, the LCD screen would be embedded onto the armchair, connecting its input terminal to 19 volts. After powering up the device, we would then be able to use it for opening documents or applications.
Hi, my name is Carmelo Ilag, and this is the conclusion. Taking notes in class plays a very important part of academic success in school. It helps students focus and better understand the main concepts. But these days, students are screen and technology dependent. They rarely use their notebook, paper, and pen in taking notes. That is why they bring their smartphones to full use and use it to take notes instead, which is not a good way to promote active learning as students usually gets distracted by the gadget itself. So for our paper, we propose an interactive LCD touchscreen monitor armchair for note taking, a device which has applications that can enhance the learning experience for students and is only limited to the applications related to school to keep students from getting distracted. It utilizes an LCD touchscreen monitor with a palm cancellation function and a stylus pen for the students to use and interact with the device. APUA accounts are used to log in, and notes taken can be saved and sent to their corresponding MyMail accounts. This new interactive way of taking notes does not only limit the use of personal gadgets in class, but it can also help the environment by reducing the use of paper and reducing waste too. That is all. Thank you.